Welcome students. Welcome to lecture number 15. In today's lecture I will discuss the question number 5 of exercise 1.3. As you know, in previous lecture I discussed question number 3 and 4 of exercise 1.3. So in this question, if you look at the question statement, what's the examiner saying? He's saying given matrix A is a square matrix, the elements are 1, 2, minus 3, in second row 5, 0, 2, and in third row 1, minus 1 and 1, and B is also a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, and the elements are 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 3, 0. So in this you have to find out matrix C such that C equals to A plus 2B. So you have to find out A plus 2B. So for this, first of all, we will write the given equation. The equation is A plus 2B equals to C. After that, I will name matrix A and B as equation 1 and 2. Now if you look at the equation, we have to find out C, and for finding out C we have to solve this equation A plus 2B. So we have matrix A, we have matrix B, but we don't have matrix 2B. So for this I will multiply 2 on both sides of equation 2. So B will convert it into 2B, and this 2 will be multiplied with each and every element of this matrix B. So 2 will be multiplied with all elements, 3 multiplied by 2, minus 1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2. We have to multiply each and every element. 3 2s are 6, negative 1 into 2 is negative 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 0 2s are 0. Now we have to put all these matrices in equation. So equation is A plus 2B. So A is this matrix and 2B is this matrix we have solved. So we have to add these two matrices, so all corresponding elements will be added, that is first element with first, second with second, up to so on. So A plus 2B equals to 1 plus 6, 2 plus minus 2, minus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 0 plus 4, 2 plus 10, 1 plus 4, negative 1 plus 6, and 1 plus 0. So A plus 2B equals to 6 plus 1, 7, plus minus minus 2 minus 2, negative 3 plus 4. The sign are different, so we have to subtract these numbers. 4 minus 3 is 1, and the sign will be positive because the larger number is 4. 5 plus 8 is 13, 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 10 is 12, 1 plus 4 is 5, negative 1 plus 6 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1. So the value of C is the solution of A plus 2B, and the solution of A plus 2B is 7, 0, 1, 13, 4, 12, 5, 5, 1. So this is the solution of matrix C. And in question number 6, what's the statement? The statement is if A is a rectangular matrix of order 3 cross 2 and B is also a rectangular matrix, then find out matrix X. We have to find out X such that we have equation 2A plus 3X equals to B. So in solution, first of all I will write X. What is X? We don't know, so we will mark is at solution or question mark statement. And the given statement, given equation is 2A plus 3X equal to 5B. So we have to find out X. For this I will shift this 2A from the left hand side to right hand side. This is positive 2A. When I will shift it, it becomes negative 2A. And we have to find out X, not 3X. So this 3 is multiplied by here with X. So if we shift it on the right hand side, it will be in divisible form 1 by 3. and here we have 5b minus 2a. So we have matrix A and matrix B. I will name it as equation 1 and 2. So we have to find out 5b and 2a. For this, I will write statement multiplying 2 on both sides of equation 1. This will be converted into 2a, and 5 on both sides of equation 2, that will be converted into 5b. So for 2a, 2 will be multiplied with each and every element of matrix A. 2 multiplied by 2, negative 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, negative 5 multiplied by 2, and 1 multiplied by 2. If you will solve it, 2 2s are 4, negative 2 into 2 is negative 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, negative 5 into 2 is negative 10, and 2 1 is 2. For 5b, I will multiply each and every element of matrix B with 5. 8 5 40, 0 5 0, 4 5 20, negative 2 into 5 is negative 10, 3 5 15, and 6 5 30. Now we have the equation is 5b minus 2a. So we will subtract 2a from this 5b. This is matrix 5b and this is matrix 2a. We will subtract these two matrices, so corresponding elements will be subtracted. 40 minus 4, 0 minus 4, 20 minus 8, negative 1 minus 4, 15 minus 10, 13 minus 2. And in next, 40 minus 4 is 36, minus plus 4, 20 minus 8 is 12. The signs are same, so we'll add 10 and 14, and the sign will be negative. 15 and minus into minus plus, 13 minus 2 is 28. 36, 4, 12, negative 14, this will be 25, and 28. Now the equation is x is equal to 1 by 3, 5b minus 2a. The solution of 5b minus 2 is this matrix, so we will write this matrix, and this 1 by 3 will be multiplied with each and every element of this matrix. So 36 by 3, 4 by 3, 12 by 3, negative 4 by 3, 25 by 3, and 28 by 3. So if you solve it, 36 by 3 is 12, 4 by 3 is 4 by 3, 12 by 3 is 4, and this will be remain as negative 14 by 3, 25 by 3, 28 by 3. Hope you enjoy this channel. Please subscribe my channel, share it on all social media networks, and like my videos. In next lecture, I will discuss question number 7 and 8 of exercise 1.3. I will discuss each and every topics, questions, and all things of 9th class mathematics with you guys. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.